For almost 2 full years, schools across the country have been upended due to a global health crisis. We at Chalkbeat have told stories of the extraordinary circumstances that children, their families, teachers, school staff, and school communities have had to navigate in pursuit of education. Our journalists have also provided vital information in a time of fear, isolation, and tremendous need. As communities begin to emerge from the global health crisis, we at Chalkbeat recognize that we are covering history in the making. These extraordinary times will likely shape an entire generation of students and have a profound effect on American education. There are many important stories to tell, and as a newsroom, we have come together and narrowed our focus around what we think is the most important story: the comeback. The fight to ignite passion and rebuild school communities after months of student disengagement, learning loss, shrinking enrollment, and uncertainty. The comeback is our master narrative, our major coverage theme for the new school year. Each of our bureaus will report on what happens when the majority of schools reopen for in-person learning. While our newsroom is poised to hold systems accountable and to tell the difficult stories of the next school year, we also look forward to sharing successes, triumphs, and joy. And we also look forward to being active and engaged with the communities that we are part of. Join us for the comeback at chalkbeat.org.